BMW 330 convertible for a back box delete. Just cut off the back box, this huge monstrosity, and we're about to straight pipe it with an akrapovic tailpipe to set that look off. We'll see how it sounds like in a minute. Oil leak, a twin pipe, twin cats going into a single cat and then a single pipe. And this is what a 330 looks like underneath. It's nice little cars, but they tend to have problems. Check out my other videos. You'll see when I say they have problems. It's all fun and games having a convertible until water gets all clogged inside. So yeah, we're about to weld the exhaust system. Just in the process of running around, bending the pipe to the correct size, measuring up, and we're gonna start welding it as it goes. The nice akrapovic tailpipes to set off the look. It's all fun and games. Yeah, so this OEM back box was so heavy, at least 15 kg I reckon, weighing down the car. So now it's off, it's going to perform better, weight ratio and all that. Have a look at this, akrapovic tailpipes, looks absolutely beautiful. Get ready to have a listen to it. It's going to sound amazing, no doubt. It's totally transforms the look, as you can see. It's going to sound amazing now. Pull it out, pull it out, pull it out.